Have you ever been working on an app, then you minimize it to check something else, only to come back and find it has restarted completely, losing everything you were doing? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. And in this video, I'll show you exactly why this happens on Android 14 and how to fix it step by step. Unlock your phone and tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then tap on Manage Apps to see the full list of installed apps. Scroll to find WhatsApp, or the app that keeps closing, and tap on it. In the app settings, tap on Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting your data. Next, let's make sure the app can run in the background. While still in the app settings, scroll down and tap on Battery. Here, you may see options like Battery Saver or Background Activity. Tap on Background Activity or Battery Saver and select Allow Background Activity or No Restrictions so the app isn't killed when it's not on screen. Then go back to the main settings page. Tap on Apps again. Tap on Permissions. Tap on Background Auto Start. Scroll through the list and ensure the app you want to keep running has its switch turned on, so it can start in the background when needed. Now, let's free up storage space to reduce memory pressure. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap on Storage. Here you can see how much space is used. Tap on Free Up Space. Select Old Files, Large Videos, Unused Apps, or move media to an SD card or cloud storage, then confirm cleanup. Keeping at least 20% of storage free helps your phone run apps more smoothly. Next, let's update all apps and system software. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon in the top right. Tap on Manage Apps and Device. Tap on Updates Available. Then tap on Update All to update all installed apps. After that, go back to Settings, scroll down and tap on About Phone. Tap on System Update or Check for Updates and install any available updates. Updating apps and system software often fixes bugs that cause app closures. Now, let's disable aggressive battery saver features. Go back to Settings, tap on Battery, look for Battery Saver or Current Mode. If Battery Saver is enabled, tap it and turn it off, so the system doesn't limit background activity too aggressively. Finally, to reduce memory pressure from too many open apps, tap the Recent Apps button and close apps you aren't using by swiping them up or tapping the Delete icon to clear all running apps. To prevent app crashes on low-end Android devices, avoid opening too many apps at once. Clear cache regularly. Allow background activity for essential apps. Free up storage. Update apps and system software. Turn off aggressive battery saver modes. Following these steps will drastically reduce app closures and keep your Android running smoother. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if your apps are still closing. We'll help you troubleshoot. Stay tuned for the next episode of Low-End Android Survival, where we'll show you more hidden Android tricks for smoother performance.